Ander, kus sa oled? Kõik CityBeed ootavad sind. Top speed run'is Fiat 500. Oi, see on täitsa uus ju. Brand new. Noh, näeb selline lõbus välja. Looks pretty cheap and cheerful. What's going on here? Nice little 8-ball gear knob. But yeah, this one has to warm up a bit. The window is frosted. Oh, look at me, I'm CityBeeing around. 4th gear. Very nice. It has a steering wheel. It has pedals. And a gear knob, so everything's there. Either it has terrible adjustability on the seat, or I just haven't found the seat controls yet. Looking for a car. No nii. Ei läinudki kaua. This is Joonas 30 seconds reviews, and I mean a little bit of a sporty Fiat 500. Ooh, leather seats. Yeah, no documents. This is Joonas reviews, and I'm in a bit of a sporty Fiat 500. Leather seats. Can't show the seat because there's documents on it. Maybe put it on the back. The leather seat. And now let's take these. And the rear seat looks a bit fancier than a regular one. A sporty steering wheel and a panoramic roof. So I don't know, doesn't look the worst for a cheap car, a cheap city car. Ooh, and it even has some extra audio in it. So pretty sweet little car. USB port. Navigation, infotainment. Part 2, if you compare this one, looks way more old school. Doesn't have the sporty gauges, steering wheel, seats are partially leather and cloth. No cool panoramic roof, but other than that, pretty similar. But the sporty one, in my mind, looks way cooler than this one. Joonas reviews out. The red one looks more like a classic 500 with the interior checkered seats and whatnot, and the gauges. But the blue ones look pretty cool with the panoramic roof and a little bit of sportier rims. I think it even has side skirts, different side skirts. Yes, it does. More meatier side skirts. If we get in, you see the sportier seats and the steering wheel is sportier. The panoramic roof. Let's open it up. And especially, I don't like the old school gauges. Looks like a real sports car. Sadly, I think the engines are the same. 1.2, 53 kilowatt engines. But the blue ones look really nice. Everybody's welcome to join me for a test drive here. So clean the window first. The next thing I always make sure is before the cars go out that the heater is on full heat, outside air on 2, and it heats the front windshield, so the visibility would go better as fast as possible. And take off the handbrake and join me for a test drive here. Ooh, that was a good test drive. Really nice city car. Thumbs up. You're joining me for another pre-handover test drive here This is the classic one, the red one with the classic look interior. Not a big fan of the gauges. I'm more of a today's person, sportiness over style. As you can see, cute little 8-ball gear shifter and funky interior. Let's see, let's fire this thing up. Turn off the radio, pre-handover settings to outside air and on the glass, and let's see, visibility clear, and let's see how it drives during our little test drive here. Excellent handling, excellent feel of the road, outstanding brakes, outstanding. I think this was a good test. It's done 1 kilometer.